how to change WhatsApp profile pictures. Firstly, you'll have to open your WhatsApp app and log in with your account. And now from here, you'll have to go the options three dot. It will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here, go with the settings. Okay, so from here, you'll have to click on your profile icon. It will appear on the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on your profile icon. And usually from here you can change your profile picture. So to change, you'll have to click on that camera button which will appear on the side of your profile picture. So simply tap on it. And from here usually you got three options, like you can change the profile picture by using camera, gallery, or you can use avatar. So right now I'm choosing from gallery. Okay, so I will choose this one and now resize it and click on done option. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully changed my WhatsApp profile picture. So this is the easiest and simplest method to change your WhatsApp picture. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.